It's me. I'm back. I had to take a short respite from technology. I became overloaded with RF signals, and my brain waves were being scrambled. I was listening to talk radio the other day, and the guy was telling the radio audience that he hasn't seen any chemtrails since July and down in LA. And it was all because of his orgonite pyramid. Well, he hasn't been looking in the right place. Because if you can look at this screen right here in the Pacific Basin here, you can see all the chemtrails being sprayed constantly every day. I've really, I kind of quit, posting my videos because it was posting the same thing every day. If it gets too shaky out there, if the wind gets too volatile, they won't spray. But if it's not too windy out there, they'll spray every day. And it is November 5th, almost November 6th, and today was 83 degrees in Central California on the coast. Indian summer? No. The sun is peeling my skin off, okay? This stuff that they're spraying is actually destroying ozone. The park that I go to and walk my dog, all the trees are dead. We haven't had any water, but still, normally the trees don't get looking like this, even with no water for years. I've been around this world and this town long enough to know. So this geoengineering thing that they're doing is screwing up the earth, screwing up our ozone, and it's all to make money. Money, money, money. The sun is at its highest right now in its cycle, 11-year cycle. It is cooking right now, okay? And it's at its closest approach to Earth right now too. So not only is it the hottest, it's at the closest in its cycle of moving around the solar system. And we're moving in a corkscrew, not one singular circular thing. The sun's sitting in the middle and we're spinning around. We're like a comet going through the galaxy, and we're like planets spinning around it, trailing behind it, okay? We're not just this object in space sitting stationary. The sun is stationary and we're spinning around it. No, that's not how it works. Okay, that's another thing people have to get into their heads. But here's the main gizmo that they're after right here. Financial tools that provide a means of transferring risk associated with adverse weather events. These people are actually trying to create weather problems so that they can cash in on their insurance policies. They're trying to destroy crops. Winter's colder, summer's hotter, and they're trying to find a way to save themselves money by insuring their $5 million crop for $10 million. So ensuring that they destroy that crop, they know they'll make $5 million, but if it's destroyed, they'll make 10. So they plan on destroying it. It's all greed. Until we get rid of the monetary system, the human race will never step forward. Ever. Ever step forward. Look at the chemtrail spraying every day. Every day. It's never, never, ever ending. Here's another little clip of this too. of the chemtrails. Endless chemtrails. Every day. So I just wanted to give a quick clip to show. Well, I hope this one guy actually sees this. That the chemtrails are still alive and well. We're so broke, but we have enough money to fill these tankers up full of gas and chemicals to spray all day, every day, 365, 24/7. This is our spaceship. We're crapping in our own spaceship. We are a spaceship flying through space. That's 600 kilometers a second toward the Great Attractor. Okay? We're a pea to the small. We're a little pea to the Great Attractor. We're a little pebble inside of a giant dump truck, let's say, and that's the Great Attractor. And our galaxies in this cluster is flying 600 miles a second, 600 kilometers a second toward the Great Attractor, which we can't see because of the dust cloud in our galaxy. But we know because of the redshift that we're flying that fast. So we are in our own little spaceship, and nuclear power has to go. We are making waste for generations of our kids to spend trillions of dollars to monitor this stuff. If we don't use thorium and convert it down into a smaller footprint of radiation, we're really blowing it for our future human race. We really are. And the monetary system, this greed, this globalist takeover. 350 million people do not owe $150 trillion worth of derivatives. I'm sorry. We should be able to take care of ourselves. 350 million people in this nation. We should be able to take care of ourselves with all the taxes that are being paid, with all the taxes that are being paid into the gasoline. If they would lower the gasoline to $2 a gallon, our recovery would be absolute in days. All of our money is going up in smoke. Our society was built on cheap transportation, and it's gone. And if it goes any higher, we're lost. And they're doing this on purpose. And it's up to us to chain ourselves to government buildings, because YouTube videos aren't helping. You know, writing letters to the government, Obama, senators, congressmen, those letters aren't getting through. We have to get on national TV in order to be heard, because everyone's watching TV because they got to watch their football, their baseball, their basketball. Now, if we were to actually get in between the commercials, maybe some people actually in the world, in the United States, would actually see what's going on, because we've chained ourselves to the courthouse because we're tired of chemtrail spraying. We can't make these little Oregon pyramids and expect that to get rid of chemtrails. We have to start at the source. Take care, God bless. I'm going to load this up and just let it fly the way it is. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video, and hopefully we can take care of this mess. And it's not going to be with any one of these presidents coming up either, because it's not our votes that get him in there anyway. Take care.